take all we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.
Pain in the ass, this is. Stay. Behave. Yeah, of course. Line him up. Hold on. It's alright, it's not heavy at all. No, it's alright. My arm's going dead. Jesus, so many bloody bolts. It's not the most expensive exhaust manifold, but the welds have held out pretty good on this. Yeah, I've inspected it all over, and the welds ain't too bad. They're not the Gucciest, but for the money and quality of what it is, I think the welds are pretty good. Can't all have £1 million build, can we? Putting money into stupid expensive exhaust manifolds. Still a stock engine, so. Oh Christ. What do you think of the exhaust manifold, Matt?
It's pretty good quality for what you got.
Yeah.
It's pretty decent actually.
Oh, come on. Last one. There you go. Don't worry about tightening it, she'll be fine. Yeah, gotta go through and tighten them all now. That's a tap fit, that. Wait until you slip and hit your knuckles. How many words are going to be coming out then? Just a constant minute of bleep, 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 bleep.
Just that's what you just cut.
The power of editing. Just the old SpongeBob meme. 5,000 years later. Or the old where it goes black and white when you think that you're fine, but you're really not. That's it. We're just going to go inside to out on all the bolts. Just go 1, 2, the one down there, across there, across there. So it's sort of like star pattern, but you're going inside out. That looks pretty sweet. Turbo time, I think, after all those times.
Definitely.
So we've got the turbo exhaust housing, all the bolts. It's got a Cerruda gasket. Words, please. Gasket. So we've got V-band for that. Then, what was that, T3 or T4, whatever that is. Matt, do you want to do the honours?
Yeah.
Get the little turtle out. He's a big boy.
Yeah.
Wow, he's a small big boy.
Yeah.
Lovely. Just got to build him up.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, is that just taped to it?
Yeah.
Oh, just a little gasket. Nice shiny boy. Look at that. For all their stittattoos. Lovely. Alright, let's build them up.
Yeah.
Alright, so I just sort of measured it up. How close is it going to be? It's definitely going to need turbo blankets. Look at this. Look how close that sits. That is a fitment. Yeah, so I just fitted it up because we'll find out where to orientate the in the cold side to where we want pipes coming out. But yeah, that is tight. But we got V-band coming out this side. So if you show this up, just gotta get to it. So yeah, so we got V-band coming down there, and then there's plenty room down there to for the exhaust to go down. Then we've got the external wastegate there. So I'm just putting a bit of Loctite 648 on these. Not a lot, just a little dab to keep it on. And then I'm not going to tighten them up mega because we'll put this on the exhaust manifold so we can still spin him around to see where we want him. I think at the moment he's going to hit on the power steering can, so we might have to relocate that. Yeah, not much, just a little bit all across. There we go. Then these clips slide in the under here, in here. guessing 13.
Yeah, something
Oh
like
yeah.
13 or 14.
Got a ratchet spanner for this, boys. Oh, oh, it's a bloody turbo though. Of course it would. Right, he moves now. Let's test it. What are we saying? Back there. That is tight there. That is mega tight. Say we
That's
put
it,
him
then.
there. I'm thinking we'll have to go straight down with that.
Yeah, literally right there. So you don't hit your exhaust as well. Go straight there.
Yeah, about there, isn't it?
Yep.
Cool. Right, so turbo's all bottled up now. That is nice and tight. So that is going to be our finishing position. Just going to come down there. Probably going to pull this hose out the way and have a nice little route going through there. It is mega tight. If you shine the light through, there is a gap. There's more than enough gap. So we've got the V-band ready for there. So I need to order that. Yeah, so with the lines, because it's top mount, I haven't actually ordered them yet, but yeah, I need to order all the AN lines for that. So like I've done in my previous video with the head drain kit, with the AN, it's got a T-piece, so that'll be the oil drain from the back of the turbo there. We go down to there, and then I've got to get fittings for the water and oil feeds and drains as well. So yeah, other than that, that's the turbo fitted. Mega tight, but yeah, I've been doing other stuff as well. I made an absolute mess in garage. So I had some mounts, which they were painted so bad. I got a clip of when I tried sanding them, they were sticking to my fingers. How's the sanding going, Matt?
Pretty,
Yeah, mine's proper stuck. This paint is shit. Fuck me. That must have been put on when the metal was so cold, because it's so tacky. It's a pain in my ass. Yeah, it's absolutely stuck. So over there, they're just sat in some like tile remover stuff. It's taking the paint off pretty well. Then I've done another bit of paint because the paint was just so bad on those. So that's for the radiator one. Right, so I started on the intercooler mounts. So these are just temporary brackets. It's just something I had someone make up, literally a 2-second job. But it does a trick, it's pretty solid. They're on an angle, 80-degree angle, and that intercooler is pretty solid now. Like I said, and I want to get some O-rings to go under there, so it's not completely hard mounted. It will have silicone tubing for it anyway. But yeah, I just need some mounts on the bottom to go through. There's plenty of room in there. I've got to mount the oil cooler in there. But yeah, that's the intercooler all situated. So today's been pretty good. Intercooler on, turbo on. Yeah, look at that. That is looking good now. Well, now that's a sight. What a way to end the night. Top mounted Garret turbo. All the machine motor mounted up. Just got to sort out those radiator ones. But yeah, that is... the build's getting close to starting. It's getting me all excited. Such a kid. I've named him Kevin. I'm sure you, some of you guys have saw the old meme of the turbo going and the turtle screaming. So this is my little turtle, Kevin. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.
It'll take over we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Second verse, I'm telling you I'm ready to go, letting you know, cause I'm never alone. The ones that I roll with are incredibly known for getting down to the nitty gritty. If you really with me, let's go. Moves made, dues paid, most talk but don't do.